Hello, Shakil speaking. How are you doing? Today, I'm gonna launch a new tutorial on testing, and this is React testing by Jest and RTL. So, welcome to my brand new tutorial. And the end of the course, you will get a exciting testing portfolio website, and 15 tests had been done over there. I'm showing you a little bit later. So, welcome to Jest and RTL, okay, React testing library. So horse testing, why do we care about it? Software testing is the process of evaluating and verifying that software products or application does what it is supposed to do. Means we want to test our software, what it is supposed to do, but what we are expecting from it. If you test it properly, then it is bound to give you the expected result. So what are the benefits of testing? So it has several benefits. Say, first of all, benefits of software testing: top product quality, higher customer satisfaction, robust security, higher profit, improved customer experience, increased organizational productivity. Along with that, it catches bugs earlier, increased confidence in application, speed up QA times, can serve as a documentation. Okay, these are the benefits. So how many types of testing? Testing are mainly three kinds: unit test, integration test, and end-to-end test. So unit test means a small individual test on function. Integration test with dependencies, test function that calls another function, and end-to-end test. This is the complete test. So we will do everything by the end of this course. So you can consider this course as a boot camp, and upon completion of this course, you will get the portfolio website full tested by Jest and RTL. Okay, React testing library, and you see it has 10 test shoots and 15 tests passed, and Cypress test also, end-to-end test also passed. Also, you see this is end-to-end test. So it will be an exciting journey. Upon completion, I will show you this website from scratch, how I test every component of this tutorial. But the template credit goes to Nur Muhammad, who is a fellow YouTuber. I have collected this template randomly from YouTube. This is, in this course, we want to test. It is not our aim to make the template by React or testing. And I have created the npx React app, because I have not created bit React, is because to set up Jest and bit, it's a little bit tricky. I can show you later another tutorial, but I have created npx create React app, and if you install npx create React app, you will get some advantages. You see, in the package.json, by default they are giving you the necessary tools and plugins needed for your test to run, like JSDOMs, React, user events. The user events or the companion API opposed to Fire event. Okay, so this is very helpful to run your test. And see, my app is running. Total, it has the test coverage also. I will explain every detail of the test coverage. And total 10 tests passed. It has total 10 test suits and 15 tests passed, and it is passing the end-to-end test. You see, by Cypress, this is end-to-end test. This test is also passed. So this will be an exciting journey by the end of, and another announcement is that you will get 50% free the bootcamp of this testing tutorial. Like, I will go through every detail of Jest and RTL, but the portfolio testing of this portfolio website will be paid. You will find it in the Udemy, my Udemy course. So 50% free, 50% paid. You can call it a freemium. So these are the I show you the project structure. This is the source, this is Cypress, coverage, and everything. And if you run npx create React app, I will show you from scratch everything. And if you run npx create React app, these three dependencies will be installed automatically. Okay, this is the app overview. and you have to do everything. I will, in the per paid version, I will give you the repository. So I am showing you everything, so it will be an exciting journey. So wait for the next tutorial. See you soon. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.